Right guys, welcome back to Map TV. It's Teddy. It's a Saturday. It's very snowy, it's very icy, so we've not got much in, so we're going to do a vlog on this Mustang that's made it to us for all this hectic weather. This Roush Mustang GT is in for BMR Engine Mounts and Steeda transmission bush insert. So let's crack on, get it done because it's cold. So this is the stock engine mount. There's no real performance in this, it's more just holding your engine there and like comfort to take away any MVH or any harshness of the engine, which then in turn isn't good for performance. When you've got a supercharger on and you're making a lot more power and a lot more torque, your engine's going to twist more, hence why you should upgrade your engine mounts. If you've got headers on as well, aftermarket headers, engine can twist that much that the headers can bang on the chassis, and it's not a pleasant noise. So that's the way to fix it, by putting uprated engine mounts in. So these are the BMR adjustable engine mounts. They're a lot smaller than the stock ones, so they're a lot easier to fit. They use a nut and bolt design to make installing easier rather than a stud. So these are the uprated bushings. They're a lot stiffer than stock. I'm not too sure what these are rated to, but they are high power ratings and it's perfect for this car, and they're a nice bit of kit. So we're going to install a transmission bush insert by Steeda. We've already upgraded the engine mounts. Now there's 3 points where this engine and gearbox assembly is bolted to the car, secured to the car or the chassis. It's the engine mounts and this gearbox mount here that I've just taken off. And underneath that there's this nice floppy bit of rubber, again for comfort, for no noise, no good for power. So we install the Steeda transmission bush insert, and that stiffens it all up, but because it's rubber and all you're doing is filling in these holes, it's not actually really bad for any MVH or anything. It is just a really nice little mod and it's cheap as well. So yeah, let's crack on. Just checking for leaks, but I know a little bit's gonna drip off, so it always does. It's because it's the seals like behind, inside. You got all this metal where oil gets stuck, and when it warms up, goes a bit thinner, and it dribbles out, and you think it's leaking, but it isn't. Guys, we're all done here, the car's all back together, it's running, I've checked it over, all good. I'm going to send Ross on his way, let him go enjoy his car. I mean, I don't know how well he's going to enjoy it in this weather, but yeah, all done. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.